Hello and welcome to Aries season here at Glam Tones. My name is Gigi. We are going to do a set inspired by the sign Aries today. If you've been watching the channel for a while, you may remember a couple of Decembers ago, I said I was going to start an astrology series for the year. And I hated the set I did so much that I didn't keep going. And I didn't mention it. I didn't say anything about it. Nobody asked about it. So I just pretended it never happened. It's still there. You could go find it. I'm not going to link it or anything. If you want to see it, you'll have to go search for it. I'm not taking it down or anything because I love that my channel is a progression of not only my nail art, but my video abilities as well. Guys, what we're doing is painting these nails red and blue. Red and blue are the colors of Aries. And we're just doing a galaxy-ish sort of. No, it's not sort of. What am I saying? Sort of. It's a very galaxy-inspired set. We're going to move that nail because it's just going to be red. And right now I'm going to play a little bit. We're going to ombre, but not really. Like, we're just mixing, okay? You know how when you're looking at spacey pictures, like nebulas will be there, and they'll be like big, huge clouds of color and then little wispy bits of color, and that's really all I'm trying to create is just that mixing of the colors. Which I guess you could call a messy ombre, but that's not, like, that doesn't look like a real ombre to me. It looks spacey. So that's what we're doing, and we are actually going to do 3 coats of that. So I know you guys like to see that, so sit tight. There's going to be a lot of it. So now that one's going to get the red treatment, and the blue one and the red one are both going to get 3 full coats because opacity, right? They never get fully opaque. The red gets the closest, but these are not the most pigmented polishes in the world. The red is the Sky Match polish, and the blue is Laguna Moon, which Laguna Moon, that kit is the first gel kit I ever bought. The first gel polish I ever bought was Kiara Sky. I still have that polish as well. I don't use it a ton because it's just one color, right? I'm not going to use the same color all the time. And there's a lot of gel polishes in my collection, and some I like a lot better. So there's that. So now we're coming in again and playing around with the color and making everything the way I want it. And don't forget, in between mishing and mashing, dab off your brush because it starts to get too muddy if you don't do that. Now here we are coming in with that 3rd coat, giving it that beautiful blendy beautifulness, beautiful blendy beautifulness. Yeah, okay, yeah, you know what, I'm going with it. That could be an edit, or we could just go with it, and you know what, I'm gonna just go with it. I'm just gonna go with it. Okay, blending again, but you can see that 3rd coat, it really does help bring that opacity in. The blue is never fully opaque. I don't even know how many coats that would take. I think if you wanted it to be fully opaque, you'd have to put white behind it, and then do 3 coats. So there you go. On the red, we're going to keep it super simple and just do the Aries symbol. And the Aries symbol is meant to represent the head of the goat, because that's a goat for Aries, and the goat is very stubborn, and that is one of the traits of Aries. I have an Aries daughter. My oldest daughter has her birthday next month, and she is an Aries. And my phone is ringing. Do you hear that? Do you hear that? Let's make it stop. Let's make it stop. There we go. Sorry about that. I don't get that many phone calls, and they didn't mute my phone. So there's a little real life blooper for you. So anyway, Aries is it was actually Monday, so it's the 18th, and it runs all the way through next month through the 19th. Aries is the first house of the zodiac. Oh, guys, this is just a little, a makeup sponge, and I'm just using some white, solid cream gel, and I'm just dabbing it on there to give us that, you know, like the arms of the galaxies, right, in the sky. I'm not trying to do an exact replication of the star cluster or anything, or constellation. It's not a cluster, it's a constellation. Cluster. Oh my goodness. Now I'm coming in with some base coat because we're going to add some holographic stars. And while we do that, I'm going to tell you, and this is from allure.com, that Aries likes to be number one. They are audacious and bold. They are ambitious. They dive head first into things, and they love to be challenged. Having a daughter that is an Aries, I will say I agree with that. Not that I 100% think that everything about astrology is 100% true, because I really don't. But I think it's fun, and I think they're... Okay, this is some holographic silver glitter. We're going to make some of these shooting stars. I think that reads as a shooting star. It's super cute. I think that we are all connected. Everything. Not just us as humans, but we are connected to all of the creatures in this world. We are connected to this world. We are connected to our solar system, to our galaxy, and to our universe. And now we're coming in with our top coat, guys. Sorry. And so I think that everything that existed at the moment of your birth, you are connected to, and somehow is part of who you are. So there's that. Guys, this is the finished Aries set. I have to say, I am in love with this set. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Thank you so much for spending some time with me today. I have got something coming up for Friday that is on my fingers, so don't forget to subscribe. We are going to see you then. Mwah. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.